Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how to create kids activity books use just Claude AI. Now let's go to Claude AI and we will pass a simple prompt. I tell him to give me 5 best activity books niche on Amazon for sale it on Amazon KDP. Now Claude AI it's give me 5 best strong niche for activity books. I will choose one of these 5. Let's choose the number 4, math puzzles. I will copy it and go to Claude AI and I will pass this simple prompt. I want to create this book for sale it on Amazon, and I will pass the niche I copied. Now Claude AI will start asking me some question. This is the first question. It's about age. I will choose the age between 3 and 5 years, and I will choose the 30 page. It's low content books. Now Claude AI will start generate me a full PDF book in one click. Now here the puzzle book it's finished. This is the cover of book. You can change it. And here the page 1, 2, 3, it's have a 30 page. It's specifically for kids in between 3 years old and 5. It's for it's actually a good. It's easy to use. You can just download it as a PDF here. Click on and download it as a PDF. Here the full book here. You can upload it on Canva and change anything you want. That's it in this video, and I will see you in the next one.